Hello everyone, this is Franklin and you're watching me on Inspired Nature. Today I'm going nearby Saikung, and this is a one of the beautiful place. So let's go and see how it looks like, what is the nature here and how big is the island. Let's go.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. Every time I see a glimpse of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.